Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the best exfoliating body washes in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these exfoliating body washes you can check out the description below. So let's get started. Introducing CeraVe Body Wash with Salicylic Acid, a game changer in skincare. Packed with the power of salicylic acid, a gentle yet effective exfoliator, this body wash is your secret weapon against rough, bumpy skin. Say goodbye to dead skin cells as salicylic acid works its magic, leaving your skin feeling softer and smoother. Enriched with hyaluronic acid for hydration and niacinamide to calm the skin, it's a dynamic duo for achieving a radiant complexion. Plus, with the added benefit of 3 essential ceramides, your skin's natural barrier is restored and maintained. Developed with dermatologists, it's suitable for all skin types and free from fragrance, parabens, and allergens. Get ready to unveil healthier, happier skin with CeraVe Body Wash with Salicylic Acid. Introducing OGX Smoothing Plus Coconut Coffee Exfoliating Body Scrub, a luxurious blend of Arabica coffee and coconut oil that will revolutionize your skincare routine. This invigorating scrub not only exfoliates, but also deeply moisturizes, leaving your skin irresistibly soft and hydrated. Immerse yourself in the delightful aroma of coffee and rich coconut oil while indulging in a spa-like experience at home. Cruelty-free and inspired by nature, OGX body care products are designed to enhance your natural beauty, offering a range of solutions for every skin type. Elevate your skincare ritual with OGX Smoothing Plus Coconut Coffee Exfoliating Body Scrub for a smoother, healthier-looking complexion. Introducing Dove Exfoliating Body Wash, your ticket to radiant, glowing skin. Formulated with a potent 3% brightening serum enriched with exfoliating minerals and vitamin C, this innovative body wash transforms your shower routine into a luxurious spa-like experience. Say goodbye to dull, uneven skin as you indulge in the creamy lather infused with tropical fruit and sweet berry fragrances. Co-created with dermatologists and beauty experts, this clinically proven formula is designed to enhance your natural glow, leaving your skin illuminated and refined. Elevate your skincare regimen with Dove Exfoliating Body Wash and unveil a smoother, more radiant complexion with every shower. Introducing Nivea Men Deep Clean Rock Salts Body Wash, the ultimate solution for men seeking a refreshing and invigorating shower experience. Say goodbye to dry, dull skin as this body wash actively cleanses without stripping away essential moisture. With its unique blend of plant-derived microbeads and rock salts, it gently exfoliates, leaving your skin free from dirt and impurities, while promoting a revitalized feeling that lasts throughout the day. Plus, enjoy the long-lasting woody scent that helps prevent body odor, ensuring you stay fresh and confident. Elevate your shower routine with Nivea Men Deep Clean Rock Salts Body Wash, now available in a convenient pack of 3 16.9 fluid ounce bottles. Introducing Dial Body Wash, your go-to solution for achieving soft, smooth, and rejuvenated skin with every shower. Formulated with gentle exfoliants, this body wash deeply cleanses, leaving your skin feeling replenished, renewed, and restored to its natural healthy state. Experience the invigorating aroma of Himalayan salt fragrance, enveloping your senses and enhancing your shower experience. Each pack includes 4 16 fluid ounce bottles of this luxurious body wash, ensuring you have an ample supply for continuous use. Dermatologists tested and approved under the Leaping Bunny cruelty-free program, you can trust that this product is both effective and ethically produced. Plus, Dial Body Wash is free from harmful ingredients like parabens, phthalate, silicones, and sulfated surfactants, giving you peace of mind about what you're putting on your skin. Elevate your daily shower routine and indulge in the ultimate pampering experience with Dial Body Wash.